How to create a classic Kane costume. Create a costume like the classic WWE Kane used to wear. Steps. 1. Grow out your hair, or wear a wig. Don't worry about the quality, because the mask will cover it. 2. Get the mask. You can either make the mask out of a generic mask that covers your entire face and black and red paint, faster, but less professional looking, papier-mâché, will yield better results, but it's time-consuming, or just simply buy an authentic Kane mask, best looking, but expensive. In order to keep the mask on your face, you need to have elastic strap around it. 3. Create Kane shirt. Get a red long-sleeve T-shirt, cut off the left sleeve, and paint the top half the shirt black in a jagged line design. 4. Get the pants. Get a pair of red pants, and draw the designs on the sides, jagged design on the right leg, 2 black stripes down with cross-stitch between them on the left, with a black paint. 5. Gather accessories. Get a black right glove, studded wristbands, studded belt, and pair of black boots. 6. Say trick or treat in a robotic voice. You might get some extra candy. Things. Wig, optional. Mask. Paint. Shirt. Scissors. Pants. Glove. Wristbands. Belt. Boots.